Hey everyone, if you did not know this yet, I wanted to share this wonderful piece of information with you. If you use Plato for your core curriculum, there are guided notes and extra tools for you over here on the left. So if you look over here on the left, you have your dictionary, you have reading tools, so you can have the slides read to you, or you can turn on this feature right here where you can click and it'll speak to you. And then you have a translator right here. So if you want something to translate, you can translate. You have a calculator here for you. This is a math tutorial that I'm in right now. But the cool thing that I really wanted to share is right here where it says resources. This little folder here, it has guided notes. You can click on that and you can either A, print these notes, or if you have a screen or you know how to do a split screen on your computer, you can type in these notes and then save them. And guess what? You can use these on your quizzes and tests, and it is a great way to help you pass and master those things that you need to know. So I just wanted to share that quick piece of information with you guys. I really hope this helps everybody out. If you have any questions or you need anything from me, feel free to reach out.